Today, I've been challenged to make up my own way to send a message. Dun, 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 Ratabee intro. Hey everybody, I'm Leah, and today my mom over at Ratabee.com has challenged me to make up my own way to send a message. I thought this challenge sounded like a lot of fun, so I thought I would record myself doing it, and maybe you guys want to try it with me. All you're going to need for this is a sticky note. I just have a few with me, and a pen or pencil. Today I'm using a pen, but you can use either one. I love these cute pens. My mom got them for me on Amazon. We're not an affiliate, so we don't make any money if you buy them. But if you're interested, I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below. First, like any message, you're gonna write out what you want to say. Go ahead and pause or fast forward the video if you need to. Now you're going to take off your sticky note from all the rest, or if it's already off, then perfect. Now you're going to fold it. Just make sure when you fold your paper, your message is hidden on the inside. You're going to want to take the sticky part and just fold it. And it's okay if it's not straight like mine. That's A-okay. Are you ready? I hope so. So whichever side has folded part on it like that, we're gonna want that on the back. So just ignore that part and take the flat side, and we're gonna write 2. Just like that. Then you're gonna write who. It's 2. Alright, that was the final step. So you did it. Now you just need to give it to them. Now it's time to deliver your message. The final product should look just like this. This is to you guys. Let's see what your message is. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you liked this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.